How do you clean your glass aquarium? So you've got one second-hand, side of the road. I picked it up on Hard Rubbish, Tip Shop, Craigslist, Amazon, well, probably not Amazon, Gumtree, someplace like that. You've gone and found yourself a second-hand fish tank. How do you get it nice and clean like this? Because I'm going to show you how bad this one was and how to go through and clean it to make sure that you've got it nice and healthy and safe for the fish. We don't want to use anything that's going to be bad for the fish. We want to make sure that it's nice and clean and we can actually see it and it works. So how do we do that? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm putting videos up every couple of days, so make sure that you hit subscribe so you can get all of them. Sometimes we get second-hand stuff, or we might be wanting to make a school project for the kids, something like that. Or maybe you just want a small indoor system and you pick up a second-hand aquarium and you go, that'll do. That's what I did. I picked up a second-hand aquarium and I've gone, oh crap. Not really. You can actually repair aquariums, but I don't know if I need to. But look at how filthy this is. So I'm going to walk you through step by step everything that I do in slow motion to fix this. Oh dear, this has got a lot of work to do. But it'll be worth it in the end, I guarantee it. Oh, I will add, I'm in my old clothes. Fashion statement! Because I'm using bleach and I'm doing lots of manual stuff that I just don't want good clothes getting damaged in anyway. Wowzers. This is filthy. It's a glass fish tank that it's got rat poop in it, it's got dirt, it's inside and out is absolutely filthy. I don't even know if it will hold water. But I got it for free, so I'm not really out of pocket in any way. So I need to give it a good clean. And what do we do when we don't know what's been in it? Well, I don't know if you can see that, but there, as I said, there's actually rat poo inside here. The outside is filthy. So first I need to scrape off all of the solid stuff, get rid of that. Then I need to, in fact, I can see that one of the side bits here is broken, as in one of these parts, that's broken. So I need to check to see. I'm going to be cleaning this because if it is broken, I know how to fix. And I can see the second one here is completely pulled off, and I don't have. But the silicone seems okay. That's the reinforcement bracket, which I can always buy another one of those. So clean out the solid stuff on the inside, and then I'll be tipping a bucket of water in and using bleach. Now this is a liquid this is liquid, oh my god, liquid bleach. Bleach. Why am I saying bleach? Because it's meant to be bleach. Right, liquid bleach. But the important thing I'm wanting to show you is it has a lemon scent to it. And you're going, why on earth is Candy telling us that? It is so that I can't smell it when I've cleaned it. I want to make sure that I clean it thoroughly, and the bleach will do that. And if I can smell, once I've rinsed it all out, and after that, if I can still smell that bleach, I need to keep rinsing. That's the thing. You need to make sure that you're using something that will kill the germs, will kill anything that's possibly been in here, and this is really a bad conditioned tank. But I need to make sure I kill everything in it, and the bleach will do that. I only need a bucket of water and a quarter of a cup of bleach, and I'll be able to scrub that with my aquarium, my very old aquarium scrubbing mat. I have a new one inside. Don't just go and use any type of cloth. You need to make sure that it doesn't have any antibacterial stuff, or if you do use it, make sure it's fully rinsed out later. But you see, once I've cleaned this out with bleach and I've got it all nice and sparkly, I want to make sure that I rinse it out again with something else, and that will be some type of sodium thiosulfate product, which you can get sodium thiosulfate from a pool shop. But if you're an aquarist or someone who has aquariums, you will have some type of water ager or water conditioner. the primary product in that is sodium thiosulfate, so giving it a rinse out with the sodium thiosulfate or water, ager or conditioner, that will then get rid of the bleach. But you have to make sure you've given it a really good clean and a really good rinse out, and then add 1/4 cup of the water conditioner and your bucket of water, and again rinse it all out again. And by that time you should not be able to smell your bleach. That is the only reason I have scented bleach in my house, is so that I can tell when I've been cleaning something that it is actually clean. Okay, so let's get on to this and I will show you how it progresses. I don't know what condition it is, but to my way of thinking, I actually want to clean it first because I know I can fix it. Aquariums are a lot easier to fix than people think. So I don't know if they'll leak or not, but that will be tested out too. And then I'll work out fixing the brackets and putting them in place, which I can see this one's been put on with some sticky tape. But there you have it. So I'll see you in a little bit after I've got the inside out and we're ready for the next step. Look at that, a nice rinse with bleach, and it's looking so much better. I now need to rinse this out and head on to the next step. Alrighty, so we've moved location and that has come up really, really good, nice and clean. So now I've got my water conditioner and I'm going to add that and give that a good clean out now because I want to get rid of that bleach that I've used. So I need to rinse inside and out to get that happening, and then give it another rinse out with the hose, and hopefully that should be right. We'll be able to then dry it off, fill it up and see how. Rightio, and now that we've moved into a different location, away from the bleach that I emptied, the sodium thiosulfate and the good rinse has gotten rid of the bleach smell. So there is actually no bleach in here, and we have a nice clean fish tank. The next step, we need to dry the outside of the fish tank and then fill it up with water and leave it overnight and mark it at the level that we fill it up to. And that way, if there's any water that's been lost throughout the night, we'll know. And if it's a puddle underneath, we really know there's a leak. So we should be able to identify that and make sure that that's all good too. Cleaning your fish tank to get ready for an aquaponics system. How awesome.